Nice. Damn, hold. Hold. Look, once again, down. Tala goera, pada auna. Try to cross both the river. दुईटा स्ट्रिम क्रस गरेर आउनु आयो भने चाहिँ अझै दामी हुन्छ एकै तालमा. By the way, I don't think you can see it on the camera, but this is pretty slippery and very unstable surface. Yahanera chai chill spot haru ho. We got some nice place to swim out over there. This time we are not going, so and Xpulse, I think this is the second or third time crossing the river, so उसलाई यहाँनिर कन्फिडेन्स अझै आउँछ क्या. And by the way, last time when we came here, I came here with Lode, and that time he crashed his bike there. That time the river level was also high. त्यहाँनिर चाहिँ लडेको थियो बिचारा Lode, and his bike drowned. We had to push all the way to the garage. It's a crazy day थियो. Thankfully आज चाहिँ the thing is good. Damn, bhai. Damn. Momentum. Throttle. So initially, he was struggling here a lot in this because of the momentum that he was missing that time. And now he's got the momentum. My throttle se dekho cha kya ram bam. That throttle is helping him to clear this section. Kya momentum se talai bata banaera ल्याउनु क्या त्यहाँ. दामी bro. अघिको भन्दा त है हजुर दामी भयो त्यो त. Alright, I was a ferry. I'm Xpulse bhai जाँदैछ ferry. Let's go Xpulse. I also tried a couple of times, and the rocks here is very slippery now. Oh, now he's exhausted. If you're tired on the trails, then you can never cross the section. So yeah, man. Now we're gonna move to the next section. This section is already done. We did some small river crossing, and Xpulse got the confidence now to cross the river. अहिलेको भन्दा त दामी आइदियो त अन्त दामी ब्रो. त्यही हो क्या पारा चाहिँ. Section is pretty rough, pretty messed up. So now we're gonna head to the next location, right? That is that side. Right, what's up? This is our second trail, and we're gonna try this uphill. Alright, so I did this one. Now I'm planning to do this one. Let's see यो कतिको उयो छ. यतापट्टिको चाहिँ यहाँनिर यो उयो रहेछ के अहिले साह्रो पर्ने रहेछ. So I'll try this one and let's see कस्तो हुन्छ. दामी दामी भयो भयो Alright, so guys, we have done with this section. Yo section say I wanted to do this for a very long time, and yeah man, उकालो चाहिँ यतिको चाहिँ हो, तर मोमेन्टम छ यहाँ, पिच पनि छ हैन, so it's not that of a बडै डिफिकल्ट उयो त होइन, तर पनि अब for me, for the Xpulse हैन, it's a big thing. अनि yeah guys, I would like to keep my video till here. Yeah, see you guys in the next vlog.